In today's fast-paced digital world, patience is a rare commodity. Users expect websites to load instantly, and even a few seconds of delay can lead to frustration. Website speed is critical for online success. It influences user experience, conversion rates, and search engine rankings. Ignoring website speed can be detrimental. Think of your website as a storefront. A slow website is like a store with a long line. Customers are likely to leave before entering. A fast website welcomes visitors, providing a seamless experience. This positive first impression can make all the difference. User experience, or UX, encompasses all aspects of a user's interaction with a website. Website speed plays a pivotal role in shaping this experience. A fast-loading website creates a positive first impression. Conversely, a slow-loading website can lead to frustration. Users may perceive the website as unprofessional, leading them to abandon the site. Conversion rate is the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, like making a purchase or subscribing. Website speed directly impacts conversion rates. A fast-loading site increases the likelihood of conversions. Even a 1-second delay can significantly drop conversions. Optimizing speed is crucial for maximizing conversions. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the practice of improving a website's visibility in search engine results pages, or CRPs. Website speed is a crucial ranking factor for search engines like Google. A fast-loading website is more likely to rank higher in search results, leading to increased organic traffic. Google considers website speed as a signal of user experience. A slow-loading website provides a poor user experience, which can negatively impact search rankings. Google aims to provide users with the best possible search results, and website speed is a key indicator of quality. A higher ranking in search results translates to increased visibility and organic traffic. When users search for relevant keywords, a fast-loading website is more likely to appear at the top of the search results, attracting more clicks and visitors. This organic traffic can lead to higher brand awareness, increased leads, and ultimately, more conversions. Optimizing website speed is not only beneficial for user experience, but also for improving search engine rankings. By prioritizing website speed, businesses can enhance their online visibility, attract more organic traffic, and achieve greater online success. Section 5. Image optimization, slimming down your media. Images are an integral part of website design, enhancing visual appeal and engaging users. However, large image files can significantly slow down website speed. Image optimization is the process of reducing image file size without compromising quality, resulting in faster loading times. Tools like TinyPng and ImageOptim are invaluable for image optimization. These tools compress images, reducing their file size without noticeable quality loss. By optimizing images, websites can maintain visual appeal while significantly improving loading speed. Another effective technique for image optimization is choosing the appropriate file format. JPEG is generally suitable for photographs, while PNG is better for images with sharp lines and text. Using the correct file format can further reduce file size and improve website performance. Implementing image optimization techniques is a crucial step towards improving website speed. By slimming down media files, websites can deliver a faster and more enjoyable user experience. Section 6. Browser caching, storing for instant access. Browser caching is a mechanism that stores website data on a user's computer. When a user revisits a website, the browser can retrieve cached data such as images and scripts from the local storage, reducing the amount of data that needs to be downloaded and accelerating loading times. Leveraging browser caching is a simple yet effective way to improve website speed. By configuring the server to send appropriate caching headers, websites can instruct browsers to store website data for a specified period. This reduces server load and improves website performance. When a user returns to a website, the browser checks its cache for updated versions of the stored data. If the cached data is still valid, it is used to render the web page, resulting in faster loading times. This improves user experience and reduces server resource consumption. Implementing browser caching is a straightforward process that can significantly impact website speed. By storing frequently accessed data on the user's computer, websites can deliver a faster and more efficient browsing experience. Section 7. Minimizing HTTP requests. Streamlining the data flow. Every element on a web page, such as images, scripts, and style sheets, requires a separate HTTP request to the server. Minimizing the number of HTTP requests is essential for improving website speed. Each request adds to the overall loading time, especially for users with slower internet connections. Combining multiple CSS and JavaScript files into single files can significantly reduce the number of HTTP requests. This streamlines the data flow and reduces the time it takes for the browser to render the web page. Using CSS sprites is another effective technique for minimizing HTTP requests. CSS sprites combine multiple small images into a single larger image, reducing the number of image requests required to display the web page. By reducing the number of HTTP requests, websites can optimize data transfer and improve loading speed. This leads to a smoother user experience and enhanced website performance. Section 8. Content Delivery Networks, or CDNs, bring data closer. Content delivery networks are geographically distributed networks of servers that store copies of website content. When a user accesses a website, the CDN delivers the content from the server closest to their location, minimizing latency and improving loading speed. Using a CDN is particularly beneficial for websites with a global audience. By distributing content across multiple servers worldwide, CDNs ensure that users can access the website quickly, regardless of their geographical location. CDNs also improve website reliability and security. By distributing traffic across multiple servers, CDNs reduce the load on the origin server, minimizing the risk of downtime. They also provide security features such as DDoS protection. Implementing a CDN is a crucial step towards improving website speed, especially for websites with a global reach. By bringing data closer to users, CDNs enhance website performance, reliability, and security. Section 9. Measuring and monitoring, keeping tabs on performance. Measuring and monitoring website speed is essential for identifying areas for improvement and tracking progress. Tools like Google's PageSpeed Insights and GT Metrics provide valuable insights into website performance, highlighting areas that require optimization. PageSpeed Insights analyzes website speed and provides recommendations for improvement. It scores website performance on a scale of 0 to 100, with higher scores indicating better performance. GT Metrics provides detailed performance reports, including waterfall charts that visualize the loading process of each element on a web page. This helps identify bottlenecks and optimize specific areas for improvement. Regularly monitoring website speed allows businesses to track progress and ensure that optimization efforts are effective. By utilizing performance measurement tools, websites can continuously improve their speed and provide a better user experience. Section 10. Mobile optimization, speeding up on the go. With the increasing use of mobile devices, mobile optimization has become crucial for website success. Mobile users expect websites to load quickly, even on slower connections. Optimizing website speed for mobile devices is essential for providing a seamless user experience. Mobile-specific optimization techniques, such as responsive design and AMP, or accelerated mobile pages, can significantly improve website speed on mobile devices. Responsive design adapts the website layout to different screen sizes, providing an optimal viewing experience on any device. AMP creates stripped-down versions of web pages that load almost instantly on mobile devices. This improves user experience and reduces bounce rates. Prioritizing mobile optimization ensures that websites load quickly and efficiently on all devices, providing a consistent and enjoyable user experience. Section 11. Conclusion: the fast track to success. Website speed is a critical factor for online success, impacting user experience, conversion rates, and SEO rankings. By implementing the optimization techniques discussed in this essay, businesses can significantly improve their website performance and achieve their online goals. Optimizing images, leveraging browser caching, minimizing HTTP requests, and utilizing CDNs are just a few of the strategies that can enhance website speed. Regularly measuring and monitoring website performance is crucial for tracking progress and identifying areas for improvement. Prioritizing mobile optimization ensures that websites load quickly and efficiently on all devices, catering to the growing mobile audience. By investing in website speed optimization, businesses can create a faster, more enjoyable, and more successful online presence.